I decided to do a quick video because of what just happened with the. See, that's an upcut. That's an up drill. All right. What just happened with my little snowman project? Which, thinking that video is going to come out tomorrow. Make a real quick one here, based on today's observations. Even though you haven't seen the project yet, I've been using the bits that came with this machine. And if I turn them clockwise, it rides my finger up, my fingernail, in the groove. Okay, so this is an upcut bit. And it came with a bunch of them. I'm still using the first one that I put in it, and it's since August. I mean, you see the stuff. I've done quite a bit of stuff, and I'm still on the first bit. But now I know why that. Now I know why that was in there. But it basically blew my project all to hell. Here's another one. These are bits that I had from a different CNC, a different milling machine. It was manual mill, but I saved them when I sold it because they're tiny. And the machine that I sold was a really big machine, and there was no nobody was going to use these, so I kept them. All right, now this one is also, as you can see, my finger rides up the groove as it turns clockwise. This is an upcut bit. That is the same as these. Now I do have, and you can see the difference in length. So if I want to cut something, I'm going to save it. I mean, it's still a good bit. This is good for, I believe, if you want a smooth surface on the bottom, and it blows the hell out of the top. And this one, if I put my finger in the groove and turn it clockwise, turns to the right. This one's got hot. You can see it. Looks like it got hot. So this one is a downcut bit, which blows the hell out of the bottom and leaves it smooth on the top. I have 4 of these, and they're significantly longer than the ones that came with the machine to begin with, as you can see. So I think my next project is going to be done with one of these. Now, I'd saved these too. These are brand new. Never been out of the box. They're quarter inch, 1 inch long cut, if I'm reading that, on an 1/8 by 3 inch shaft. And I got all excited because I forgot I had them. I'm like, oh great, now I can cut really deep, right? Watch this. If I can get it out of the tube. Brand new, broken. But I got another one. Brand new and broken. So I don't know what these cost, but they're not cheap. And this one I could probably still salvage because it's broken on the other end. But this one, nope. So that was a sad moment in my day. I'll have to look these up and see what they cost and see if there's a warranty. I don't know if it was definitely damaged in shipping, but I don't know if it was between the manufacturer and the person at the bottom, or between the person at the bottom and me. Well, these, there's another set. Here's another set that, let's see, these ups or downs, they're buried. These feel like they're down bits, but they're very it's more burr on the sides than a cutting tool. So that's what we've got. And we've got some miscellaneous ones here. Got some double enders. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to use those. I'm not sure I have the right collet to use those. There's a dovetail bit. I can use that. And then there's this one here. It's still got the wax on it. So it'd be good for edging. Another double ender. Yeah, I'm not sure I can use these in this machine, but they're interesting. I don't know what that is. Oh, look how small that is. Here's the 1/8 inch for comparison. That tip, if you can see it or not. No, there we go. Almost. Double ender. There's another itty bitty tiny one. It's a burr. Another burr is a little bit bigger. You get a better view. That looks like some sort of an adapter to go in a collet to hold that tiny bit. So I think on the next snowman project, I'm going to use this. On the next thing I cut with plywood, I'm going to use one of these and see what happens. Because what happened today was not good. So there's a little education on tooling, I guess. Should probably mark those. I'm keeping them in a cup. Fiberglass leftovers cup. Well, there's my tutorial on. I'll show you a couple others I got. Yeah, I bought some bowl bits. I can use them there. I got this bad boy. I'm afraid to use it with that router. It's a big one. It's got a bearing on it. It's probably better suited for a handheld router than the CNC mill. Looks like I'm missing one. 1/4 router, 3 wings. Oh, I know what that one is. That one's out here. Where did that go? There it is. Surfacer bit. And then I got a couple of these too. Which, out of curiosity, these up, down. These are down. Down? Yeah. But, it's got a round end on it, or at least it's supposed to. This might be, I might have broke this one. I've got various sizes. They're itty bitty tiny, really fine detail, but they work really well. Super smooth. I carved the 3D lady holding flowers. I carved the mushrooms with it, I think. And the Last Supper I also carved with those itty bitty ball nose. In fact, it was this one here that I used, the bigger of them, of all of them. I just thought I'd film it. I went looking. Yeah, see, that's pushing down. That should leave a good surface on the top. This one, however, I don't know why there's a drill bit in it, but there is. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll see you tomorrow.